Welcome back to season 2 of our MR2 experience. I found a leak in the exhaust system. I have ordered a pate. Let's see where the temperature is going. Right. Yeah, the steering is pretty heavy. It's still doable using one hand, but I'm smelling a lot of exhaust gases. If I pass out, then you know what it is. Our temperatures, let me show you. So here's our dashboard. Our temperature is picking up. We don't have any error codes. Our battery is almost full, so we'll let it run for as long as we can, as long as it can tolerate it, really. Maybe by doing so. And also I found the gears a bit sticky, but they're getting better now because I've driven it as far as going into third gear today. So they are getting smoother now. I can go into fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. I need to be a bit rough with it, but that's because there's probably rust in there somewhere in the system. I don't like the amount of fumes I'm smelling from here. Right, let me go check some things at the back. Make sure nothing is smoking. Right, don't know. Can you see smoke? Yeah, definitely got smoke. That's the engine heating up and burning away all the leaky oils. Smells good, nice and toasty. Yeah, there's quite a lot of heat coming from there. I can only hope I'm not getting heat onto my tire. So here's where the leak is. You see here, it's leaking from there, that right there, and on the other side as well. So I'm gonna have to clean all this up tomorrow. Fill it up. I've got the paste, and see if that will work, if we can silence this thing.
A few moments later.
Right, I've put Scarface on the ramp right now. I am trying to remove the exhaust, especially the back box, as I've got a leak there, so I can clean it up and seal it. Wish me luck. So this is the last time I'm recording with this Huawei P30 Pro. My rear camera is just broken, but this is what I need to show you. My small box, is that a cat? I think that's the cat. Oh, it's the one that's been leaking. So all the noise was from the cat. It's really bad, like it can't be welded bad. So I need to replace it with a straight pipe or with another cut. So I don't know, whichever I find. But this is what I'm looking at, and it's not nice. This is my 1993 OEM cut converter from my MR2, and it was blowing badly because of these holes. It's got even small ones. Yeah, there you are. And over here as well, small ones. Over here it looks like a straight pipe, and over that side we have two 10mm bolts. The rest of the cut looks okay. It's got another tiny hole here but I'm gonna seal that as well. And I am repairing it using this exhaust repair pate. I have never used this product before, and this is my first time. It just got delivered this morning. I bought it on eBay. So I'm going to see if this repair will help me save money on a new cut converter, which costs around 50-60 pounds. So here goes the repair. So here is my repair. The little hole that was on there has been repaired, and all the holes that were here, the little ones and the big ones, I have covered them well because this dries like metal. Now I will let it dry, and then I'm gonna get my heat gun now to try and speed up the healing, and also to try and get it to adhere to the metal, and then leave it overnight. I'll put it on tomorrow. Right, so here we are. I have now mended the exhaust that was giving me problems, the cut. So this cut was leaking from here, and I'm using the weld that I found on YouTube. So I've just finished wrapping this up, so it's pretty wet, and I know they recommend you run the engine for about 15 minutes to heat up the exhaust and improve the healing or the curing. So now I'm going to start and run it and see how it sounds from how it was before. So here goes nothing. Oh, that's amazing. That is so quiet, like it's a different car. So now we're just gonna let it run for about 15 minutes. But that is very quiet. Oh. That is so quiet. Ah, unbelievable. I can definitely confirm that my exhaust has been healed now. Oh yeah, I've started sending it down for a respray. I can't even hear my own car. Like, I could hear this car from inside the house. Now that's it running. I can barely hear it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Time to reveal the work. I have to go under. Where are we? Oh shit. Oh. Right, so I put this one in last night, and I have to take off the tape now because must have cured by now. It's not coming off, but yeah, this has dried now, solid.